5, 4.
This is
3,
to Aurora.
2, 1.
they promised a big finish and they didn't disappoint. Andy, what did you think?
That is still hanging in the sky. What incredible. The locally made shells there right at the very end. Absolutely outstanding display.
Let's get a verdict from the crowd here in Plymouth. What did you think of display number 2? I think that went down well. What were the things that stood out for you, Andy, the bits of the display that were really impressive for you?
I think there were lots of standout moments in that show. They had some amazing, excellent single-shot chases that were fired using this new ignition technology that not many firework companies use. They were great. They had some huge shells that always make our crowd really love it. You know, that's one of the great things with Plymouth being like it is, with the hills all around. The echoes that you get off the hills is fantastic, and we always get the biggest cheers here from the shell. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's big, people love it, don't they? Also, did you see the beautiful NHS sequence with the colours? That was very bright, and that was repeated a couple of times. I really loved that. That was very impressive.
Some stunning walls of colour at times. I mean, there's a sequence in the middle where there was a wall of blue. The sky was filled with blues. Fantastic.
The blue was stunning, wasn't it? It absolutely filled. I've not seen it done quite like that before. You know, the richness of some of those blues was really, really good. They had some very big mines as well towards the end with red stars and then a crackling down below. But that finale,
They filled the sky, didn't they?
Yeah, absolutely. Aurora fireworks, I think, have done a great job. They'll be very, very happy with that.